Today we are at the Abbeyfield Guesthouse in Liverpool on Whitehedge Road. I booked a single ensuite, and as you can see, got a double bed. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, pillows look clean. And the mattress looks clean too. But yeah, also got a table with 2 chairs, a kettle which is clean, 2 cups, heater, which I don't know if I can turn on and off. Let me see. Yeah. Looks like you can. Yeah. I'll turn that off for now. Oh. And we have a sink. Lovely picture. Another cupboard under the sink. Nothing in it though. Some cookbooks. Basket just shoved there by the looks of it. We've got a TV. Check this out. Fashion. Well, while that's doing, we'll have a look at the bathroom. We've got a sink, which is reasonably clean, and some soap, Windermere Lake Reflection, hand wash, natural cedarwood, lemon, and spearmint. And shower. And it just closes like that. And toilet brush, clean toilet. It's like it leaks. Oh, sounds like the toilet's working. Yeah. I've got towels, 2 towels there, and greens, and we got our Wi-Fi password. So it's quiet time between the hours of 10 and 7. Yeah, brilliant. And check how lights work. Yeah, brilliant. And also, this, it's actually in the garden of the guest house. You've got to go through the house to get, and I will show you. So, you see the keyhole there to open. Oh, okay, we'll try again. I think I've figured it out. Push that, and then there. So, as you can see in the garden, at the back of the Abbeyfield Guesthouse, and how you come in, you've got to use keypad. So you can see it's quite secure. So yeah, so we've got 2 plug sockets down there. We've got 2 down there, That's bad. Leaves coming in when opening the door. And we've got 2 down there. Also noticed that I forgot to mention about the bin in the bathroom. And we've got shower mat there as well. As you can see, the floor's reasonable, but as I said, it's an old building, I think. No, but nice little annex, suppose, you know. But yeah, please like, subscribe, and also share. I am so grateful for you all watching my YouTube videos. We have 3 set drawers with 3 drawers here, quite deep. Yeah, quite deep. Also in the Abbeyfield Guesthouse, got a shared kitchen, as you can see. Microwave, kettle, toaster, sink, another microwave, 2 cookers, cupboard drawer, another toaster, cleaning stuff, cupboards, food. More food. Just trying to see if I can find pans or what. There's some plates. There's pans. They got pans as well. Got fridges. You can stick. Quite full. And freezer. Bins. And also some high chairs. Brilliant little ones. That one's locked, so I presume that probably the owner's one and the owner's cupboard. Got tumble dryer there, dishwasher, washing machine. Again, that guests can use. Another sink, more cleaning stuff. Yeah, and this is the shared bathroom, I think. Oh, another tumble dryer and washing machine. Oh, brilliant. And this is the shared bathroom. Basically, people that's booked room only. Yeah, quite a little room. So yeah, so this is basically the Abbeyfield Guesthouse in Liverpool. So yeah, quite good for the price, I reckon.